Hello guys, so once again it's your boy Joshua and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll teach you how I trade the advanced SMC. Some traders call it advanced market structure, but for me I call it the advanced SMC because mainly most of the time I trade the advanced SMC because that is my main strategy. So in this video what you will learn is how to build bias from the daily time frame down to the entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes. So as you can see, we only have 3 time frame here, so I should stay time frame so that I won't get this video complicated. I mean, a lot of traders love using multiple time frame to gather a lot of data, but for me I love to keep things very simple. So without further ado, let's quickly go on and I'll show you how to trade the advanced SMC. Building from your daily time frame bias, confirm the bias on the 2 hours, and we quickly jump into the trade on the 15 minutes. So let's go. So as you can see, price. So on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we build bias by identifying the trend and using a rejection candle for our bias. As you can see, price is giving us these higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. In medicated another block, give us another break of structure, creating another high, come back to the fair value gap, give us another break of structure. Now price have retraced back to the V-shaped key level. Now why I use different key level here is because sometimes in the market is unique. A fair value gap might be the sponsor of price breaking another high or taking price to the higher point. Sometimes it might be other block, it might be supporter or resistance, yeah, just like that. So that's why I use different key zones right here. So in this scenario, price have come back to our V-shaped key level right here and it gave this bullish rejection. So first of all, we got the trend and price retraced to a key level and it gave us a nice rejection candle. This rejection candle signifies bullish signal, which means if this candle is going to hold, we should be targeting this high right here because we are expecting price to give us another break of structure to the upside. Now we got our daily bias. What should we be doing? We should be going to the 2-hour time frame to look for the confirmation if this candlestick is actually going to hold. Coming to the hour 2 time frame, you can clearly see the chart right here. You can clearly see the price action where price was giving us this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and it gave the last lower low, tapping into the V-shaped key level on the daily time frame, which is this candle right here. Now this candle right here is the same as this, gave us this price action on the 2-hour time frame. So after price tap into this V-shaped key level, which is this low right here, price gave us this change of character, which is this rejection right here. Upon this rejection on the 2-hour time frame, it gave us the change of character. So the 2-hour time frame is confirming this rejection candle that yes, price is ready to push to the upside. Now we're not just gonna enter on this trade. We still need a lot of confirmation before we enter for the trade. So what should we be doing? We should mark our point of interest. It can be a order block, it can be a fair value gap, whatever point of interest you see in that moment when you are on the chart. So you wait for price to retrace back to the 2-hour point of interest before we go to our entry time frame. Price are giving us a change of character on the 2-hour time frame, which we mark our POI as the order block. So we went to the 15 minutes time frame. Now this pullback on the 2-hour time frame is going to give us a structural move, which is the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, because price is pulling back. So it's giving us a market structural condition. So price came into our POI, which is the 2-hour order block. It gave a change of character once again. Now this is where things get very interesting. So after change of character, we start to look for our key level. But before the key level, one thing I do is I'll wait to see the inducement, which is the trap. This is our advanced SMC. So price will give us this change of character to the upside and give us a little pullback before pushing to the upside once again. Now this is the trap where you see early buyers coming in, like those retail traders trying to buy from this zone right here, but unfortunately you see price come to stop them hard before going to the upside. Now after this inducement has been formed right here, we want to locate the nearest key level that is sitting below this trap right here. So you mark it, and as you can see I've marked a OC key level right here. This is the OC key level. Why I use this key level is because it works for me on mostly on my trade. So price came into this key level, taking this all the stop loss of the retail traders and come into key level before pushing to the upside. So as you can see, this strategy is so simple using 3 time frame. The most important thing is the 15 minutes time frame for your execution, because some of you are have problem or have challenges when it comes to executing trade. So this model will definitely help you to execute trade with confidence and more reliable. So it is what it is. I'll go to the real live chart and I'll show you a trade I took with this same strategy. As you can see on this trade, I won a trade which is 6 hour trade using this same strategy, if you can see. So I'll go to the daily time frame and I'll show you the exact way I built the bias, just like as I've explained on using the line explanation I just gave. So in this scenario, what I use for this bias is the accumulation phase, where you see price giving this ranging and gave a freak breakout, and suddenly it gave the first the remove right here. So I know that this is price is coming to the downside, so this alone has given me the bias, though I did not use any rejection candle. Yes, but the main focus we are focusing is on the trend, on the daily bias momentum. So I know price fully well because price is coming to the downside based on my experience and how I've seen things. So I know price will be coming to the downside, so I went to the 2 hour time frame and to look for confirmation. So once again, the confirmation I saw was that price is giving us the bearish move: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, just like that, the bearish momentum. So I was expecting price to come back to this zone right here, this key level right here, which is our support zone right here. So if you are not familiar with Malaysian support or resistance, please I've uploaded a video on that, you should go and watch it. So price came into this key level, which is our support level right here, which was my point of interest. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame and I spotted a change of character. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that price have tapped into my key level right here, and it gave this nice change of character to the downside, signaling that yes, this zone is going to hold right here. So price gave us this change of character. Let me quickly mark it up. So our 15 minutes time frame is confirming the bias. Our daily time frame is the bearish order flow, which is the downtrend. The 2 hour time frame is also confirming the downtrend, and the 15 minutes has confirmed the downtrend for us. Now this is our entry time frame. What do we see? You see price give us this lower high, lower low, lower high, higher high, and gave us this change of character. We saw this inducement. See price went up once again, but pushed to the downside. Now this was the trap. This was for the early sellers. A lot of retail traders will be putting their stop loss above this area right here, but unfortunately I marked out my nearest key level. So the key level I saw was this zone right here, this resistance level, right here. I've marked there and I quickly put my order there because I know this is going to be used as liquidity, where all the retail traders we got stopped out, and they actually got stopped out, and I just put my entry here on my OCP level, right? I mean resistance level, and I target this um a 1 is to 6 risk to reward ratio trade. Though I would have target this low, but it was, I was trying to be, protective in case price might go back up, so I would have, not taken a loss. So I took profit on this trade, a nice 6 hour trade. As you can see, the strategy worked very perfectly. You can also go and back test it and do what best for you, or you can refine it to your own understanding. So if this video is helpful, please do well to like, comment and subscribe.